Hello, Sunshine and Country folks. Just back. We just finished replacing this broken window here. It's just a greenhouse window, so instead of buying a whole new unit of this, which is more expensive, seeing it also could break. It was like this when we moved in, so we went ahead and took us a little while, but we finally took time to replace it. And to remove it, obviously, all of them have these latches. Or you gotta open it out for cleaning. Just remove that out and then turn it at an angle and then just kind of pull it out. You do have to remove the tensioner spring that are on the sides of the window. So there's a little screw that goes into the side of it here. So just remove on both sides, and these will come out with it as well. That's what gives the tension for opening and closing the window. So we won't need that anymore. What we did though was we bought just a piece of acrylic plexiglass basically, and from the back side I can show you how we did it. You can just cut it to the size and need it here, and then just use regular caulk and just seal up around the seams here, and it goes up into the channel right there. There's a little channel that I was able to use to wedge the plexiglass up in there, and then come back down this way and then just caulk it up to seal it up at the bottom. It's pretty tight fitting already. I measured it almost exact there, and as you can see, it's in there. I didn't want to use construction glue because if I ever want to take this out, it would be a pain in the butt. So I'm going to try this caulk first to see how it holds up. Looks like it'll hold up pretty good once it dries and cures. Go out to the outside, show you what it looks like from there. But it's a quick, easy replacement job. Just a quick idea of saving money if you just have a window that, like I said, for a greenhouse window, it's all you need is just something to keep the air out right there. So it's done. The old one was here, had a big hole in it, kind of unsightly. So now it's looking pretty good, and it'll help still keep the heat in and the cold out. It's just the same as these other glass panes, So just a quick idea there, just something to think about if you're ever doing this and you don't want to have to take the whole window out or find a replacement window part of it, spend more money. You can just do that. Hello, welcome back to Sunshine and Country. Just a quick follow-up here on our window repair of the greenhouse window. If those of you who have this type of window, a regular type house window installed on the greenhouse, this was already here when we bought the property, so we had a big hole as we showed earlier in the window, and all we did was remove the door part itself that had the broken window. We removed it entirely and just replaced it with a piece of plexiglass, and then sealing it with the just regular caulk along the edges so that it will stick to this regular window without having to buy a whole new window or a whole new window door, which is more expensive. So just a piece of plexiglass here. Bought a large piece, cut it to size, and then just caulked it in place, and it's holding up really well, as you can see there. So those of you who want to save money for this type of repair, it's just an idea you can do. All right, shining out for Sunshine and Country. Have a good day.